In this video, we will see font group options. Now I'll take some text. Now select the text. Click on Font Style tab. Select required font style from the list. Selected font style has been applied to the selected text. Next option, font size. Now select the text. Click on Font Size tab. Select required size. See here, selected font size has been applied to the selected text. Next option, increase font size. This option is used to increase the font size in the document. Let us see example. Select any text in the document. Click on the option increase font size, or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than. Font size has been increased. And next option, decrease font size. Using this option you can decrease the selected text font size in the document. Let us see example. Text has been selected already. Click on the option decrease font size, or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus less than. Font size has been decreased. Like this we use these two options. Next option, change case. Click on change case tab. In change case, 5 options available. Let us see one by one. To use this option, I'll make the selected text in the document into different sentences. Keep the cursor ending of the line and press enter. Do the same for remaining lines. Here I have 4 lines. Now select 4 lines and click on change case tab. The first option, sentence case. This option capitalize starting letter of each sentence or a line. Click on the option. The sentence case option has been applied. The starting letter of each line is capitalized. And next option, lowercase. This option converts selected text into lowercase. Let us see example. Select the text. Click on change case tab. Select the option lowercase. See the change. Lowercase option has been applied and each capital letter has been converted into lowercase. Next option, uppercase. This option converts selected text into uppercase. Let us see example. Select the text. Click on change case tab. Click on uppercase option. The uppercase option has been applied and entire selected text has been converted into uppercase. Next option, capitalize each word. This option capitalize starting letter of each word in the selected text. Let us see example. Select the text. Click on change case tab. Choose the option capitalize each word. See here, capitalize each word option has been applied. The starting letter of each word in the sentence has been converted into capital letter. And next option, toggle case. This option converts all capital letters of selected text into lowercase and lowercase letters to uppercase. Let us see example. Select the text. Click on change case tab. Select the option toggle case. the toggle case option has been applied. Next option, clear all formatting. This option we will see after completion of remaining options in font group. Next, bold option. This option makes selected text into bold. Let us see example. Select the text, click on bold option, or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+B. See the change, the selected text has been bold. Next option, italic. This option makes selected text into slant. Let us see example. Select the text, click on the option italic, or you can use shortcut key Ctrl+I. Look at the selected text. The italic option has been applied. Entire selected text has been italicized. Next option, underline. This option underlines the selected text in the document. Let us see example. I select 2 lines. Now click on underline option, or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+U. See here, the selected text got underlined. If you want to apply underline styles, click on underline tab instead of option. Here line styles are available. You can choose required one. If you want to apply color, go to underline color option. From here you can select underline color. Let us see example. Select the text which you have underlined. Click on underline tab, select any underline style, and again go to underline tab to apply underline color. Select the option underline color, select required color. Like this we use underline color and underline style. Next option, strike through. This option strike off the selected text in the document. Let us see example. Select the text which you want to strike off. Click on the option strike through. See here, the strike through option has been applied. If you want double line strike off, select the text again. Click on underline tab. Click on more underlines. It opens font dialog box. Mark the option double strike through and click on OK. See here, double line strike off has been applied. Next option, subscript. Using this option you can make simple chemical equations. Now keep the cursor in the destination where you want to make equations. Increase the font size. Now I want to type H2O and CO2. Type the text normally. Now select the text to which you are going to apply subscript. Click on the option subscript, or you can use shortcut key Ctrl+=. Click on the option. See here, the option is applied. Let us see one more example. Select the letter to which you are going to apply subscript. Click on the option. See here, the option is applied. If you want to continue typing after applying the subscript option, you must unselect subscript option, then continue. Otherwise it gives all subscript letters. See here, if I type here, all letters are in subscript. So if you want to continue typing, unselect the option and continue the typing. Like this we use subscript option. Next option, superscript. Using this option we can make simple mathematical equations. Let us see. Keep the cursor in the destination. First, type normal text of the equation. Now I want to make this text as 6x cubed plus 7x square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now select the letter to which you are going to apply superscript. Click on the option superscript, or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus plus. Click on the option. The option has been applied. Next I do the same for 7x. Select the text. Click on the option superscript. Now it is 7x square. Like this we can do simple mathematical equations using superscript option. Next, text effects and typography option. Let us see example. Now I will take some text. Select the text. Click on text effects and typography tab. Using this option you can apply different style to the selected text in the document. Select the required style. Selected style has been applied. Now let us see more options about text effects and typography. These options we can apply to the selected text. Now let us see these options one by one. Select the text. Click on text effects and typography tab. Now let us see outline option. Using this option you can select outline color, outline width, outline style, and you can remove outline. Now I select outline color. See here, the outline of selected text has been applied. Next, select the text. Click on text effects and typography. Go to outline option. Now I apply outline width. See the change. Outline width of the selected text has been increased. Next, I apply outline style. Select the text. Click on text effects and typography tab. Go to outline. Go to dashes option. Here select any one style, or you can go to more lines. Now I select this option. See here, the style has been applied. In the same way you can apply different shadow options to the selected text and reflections to the selected text, and you can choose more reflection options from here. Next, using this option you can add some glow to the selected text in the document. You can choose more glow colors and you can go to more glow options. Next option, number styles. This option applies only on the numbers. Let us see example. Keep the cursor in the destination. Now I type some numbers. Now select the number. Go to text effects and typography tab. Go to number styles. Let us increase font size. Now go to text effects and typography tab. Choose the option number style. Select the second option. Now it is applied. Now I apply another option. Type any number. Select the number. Click on text effects and typography tab. Go to number styles. I select the option tabular bold style. See here the change. Like this we use number style options in text effects and typography tab. Next, ligatures. Using this option you can apply different style effect to the selected text. but these two options enables based on selected font style from here. Now let us see example. Now I will take some text. Now select the text and apply any style. Click on text effects and typography tab. Go to ligatures. Select the option all ligatures. See the change here and here and here. Like this we can apply ligatures option based on selected font style. Now let us see one more option. Stylistic sets. This option enables of selected ligature styles to the selected text. From here you can select any style. Like this we use all options in text effects and typography. Next option, text highlight color. Using this option you can highlight background of selected text in the document. Let us see example. Select the text to which you are going to apply background color. Click on highlight text tab. Select required color. If you want to remove highlighted color, select the text. Click on highlight color tab. Select no color. Like this we use highlight color option. Next, font color option. Using this option you can apply different color to the selected text in the document. Let us see. Select the text and click on font color tab. Select required color. Like this we can apply any color to the selected text. If you want more colors, click on font color tab and go to more colors option. From here you can choose any color. Next, one more option, gradient. Using this option you can apply gradient color to the selected text. Let us see example. Select the text. First select any color. Again click on font color tab. Click on gradient option. This option enables different gradient colors of selected color. Select any color. Like this we use gradient option. If you want more options about font group, just click on this arrow. From here you can choose more options. Next option, clear all formatting. This option clears all format of selected text and keeps default document text format. Let us see example. Select the text and apply font group options like font style, size, font color. Now select formatted text to which you have applied font group options. Click on clear formatting option. See here, this is the default text format of the document. Like this we use clear formatting option. These are the font group options.